In this video, I'll show you how to export your video in After Effects. First, make sure your composition is ready. If you want to render only a specific part, press B to set the beginning and N to set the end of your timeline. If you want to render the full timeline, you don't need to press B and N. Next, go to File, then Export, and click Add to Render Queue. In the Render queue, click Render Settings and keep it set to Best Settings for high-quality output. Now open Output module and select H.264 as your format. After that, click Output to, choose the folder where you want to save the video. And set your file name. Finally, click Render, and After Effects will export your video smoothly. Your video is now ready to use.